Okay, the chop saw is right there. I already just cut this end off with the chop saw. It's just stick it in there, zap, it cuts it real easy, no big deal. But this, I'm gonna cut this end with just a Bauer cutoff wheel with it's a 4-inch disc. And I'm just gonna cut this along the line. If you hold it pretty square, it's real easy and works really good. And it doesn't take very long either. So if you got a good eye and a steady hand, it's a piece of cake. So I'm gonna hook this in here and I'm gonna chop that off. It's gonna be loud. I don't know what it's gonna sound like on the camera, but we're gonna find out. So let me, there, blow that up a little bit. Just a little sliver left. I could probably break that off. Just like that.